Hello everyone, this is Ayushi Jain and welcome back to my channel Fix Your English with Ayushi. In today's video, we are going to discuss about email writing. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. As we already know that email writing is greatest example of written communication that is used in almost every office and everywhere in corporate world. So it's very important to have the right way to write a good email. So in today's video I'm going to give you 5 steps to write an effective email. So these 5 steps are: the first is salutation. Salutation is a type of greeting. The second part is opening sentence. Opening sentence is a sentence that is used to start email. The third part is body of email. Body of email is the main part of email in which you write your message or information. The fourth part is closing sentence. Closing sentence is the way to how to close your email. And the last part is signature, or you can put your name here. So yeah, let's understand one by one. So let's see what is the first part of email. So the first part of email is salutation. Salutation is a type of greeting which you can write to whom you are sending your email to. Okay, so you can write like good morning Mr. with last name, like Mr. Sharma, Mr. Trivedi. Do not use a first name after Mr. The second way is hello Ms. Ms. You can write Ms. to a female officer or a female colleague. Do not write Mrs. because Miss does not indicate unmarried, but it indicates only female. So you can write hello Ms. and last name. The next way is dear Ms. or dear Mr. with last name. Mr. last name, a good morning, a very good morning. This is the newest way to start your email with. The next type is hey first name, like hey Raj, hey Shruti. You can write hey Mr. or hey first name to your colleagues only. You cannot write this to your officers or your higher authority because it seems like unprofessional. So let's see the second type or second step, that is opening sentence. Opening sentence is very important to write a brilliant email because it shows your etiquettes, or it shows how you respect your officer or authority. You can write something like I hope you had a great start of the week. You can write this line on the starting of week, like you can write this on Monday. And the next way to write opening sentence is I trust you are fine. I trust that you're fine. The other way is I hope you're all full and frolic. The next way is I hope this email brings you well. I hope this email brings you well. So let's see the next step, that is body of email. Body of email is the most important part in email because you write your whole information or your whole message in this section only. So how you can start is I am reaching out about. If you want to give your information about something, if you want to give information about something, so you can start it like this. The next way is I am getting back to you about. You can write this line to reply about any email. If you got any email before and if you want to reply it, then you can start your email with this line. The next way is this is to follow up from. this is to follow up from, and then your message. If you want to start discussion again, so you can write this line. The next way to write the body of email is as discussed in the foregoing discussion, and then your message. If you want to continue anything after the previous discussion, then you can write this line. So let's see the next step, that is closing sentence. Closing sentence is a way to close your email with. It is also a very important part of email. What you can write is, I look forward to hearing from you soon. The next way is, I'd appreciate your prompt attention to this matter. The next way is, looking forward to a prompt response. The next way is, please advise as necessary. So, let's see the last part of email, that is signature. Signature is the ending of your email. So what you can write is, best wishes, and then your name. The another way to write your signature is, yours sincerely, or best, cheers, have a pleasant day ahead, sending you positive vibes. Sending you positive vibes is the very fancy yet very modern way to finish your email with. So you can write this as well, or you can write something like, regards, respectfully, yours truly, faithfully, etc. So yeah, let's see the example of writing an email. So I'm going to write in front of you. So yeah, let's see how I write an email. So this is idea for you that you can use to write your emails. So yeah, let's start. Well, that was all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you had, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to share this video to everyone. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home, bye.